Hi, today we will be talking about a manometer. What is a manometer? It is also known as a pressure gauge, and it is a pressure measuring instrument which measures the pressure of a fluid at a point. The Festo manometer uses a burden tube style pressure gauge, which contains a glycerine cushioning and a maximum permissible pressure of 10 megapascals. In the internal construction, we can see that the inlet valve pushes on the burden tube, which mechanically moves the pointer to the set pressure. And on the right we have the circuit symbol. In the application, the manometer can be used for testing fluid leaks, measuring the liquid level in a tank and the pressure of a system. Here is a simulation on how the manometer works.